Epson 130 lira single function ink tank color printer. Printer type, ink tank. Functionality, single function, print only. Printer output, color. Connectivity standard USB, compatible with the USB 2.0 specification. Pages per minute 27 pages, black and white, 15 pages, color. Cost per page 7 paise, black and white, 18 paise, color, as per ISO standards. Print speed up to 8.5 ip. Page size supported, A4, A5, A6, B5, C6, DL Duplex Print, manual print resolution 5760x1440 and ideal usage, home and small office, regular heavy usage, more than 300 pages per month. Compatible ink bottle, T6641, black, T6642, Cyan, T6643, Magenta, T6644, yellow, page yield 4500 pages, black and white, 7500 pages, color, comes with 470 ml original Epson ink bottle, one of each color, BK, C, M, Y, inside the box. Warranty 1 year of 15,000 pages, whichever is earlier on-site warranty from the date of purchase. Avail free installation on this model from Epson brand customer care on 1863,1600 timings, 9 a.m. 6 p.m., post receipt of product to book, and schedule free installation and support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.